CSE Project Learning Group, S. Tamilarasi, 2nd year, VA Institute of Technology. Welcome for CSE Project Learning Group. Today I will talk about in this video operators in identity operator, and this identity operator compare the memory location of two objects. Next I am tell what is identity operator. Identity operator are used to compare the object not if they are equal but if they are actually the same object with the same memory location. It is called as identity operators. This identity operator check for this object memory location. So it is called as identity operators. These identity operators have two operators. One is operator and another one is a is not operator. And this is operator object symbol is, and this example is A is B, and next one is not operator symbol is not, and next this example is A is not B. I am explain briefly in Python IDLE interactive mode. So I am going to Python IDLE. I am open Python IDLE. I am taken first operator is operator. I am example for some example for given this is operator. So I am created for two values. A is equal to 2. B is equal to 2. I am check for these two values. A is B. This condition satisfied true. But I am created next one is A is equal to 2, 2 and B is equal to 2, 2. I am check for this. Now A is B. Now it is false. Result is false. Why now? This one or more values assigned for various for this memory location, but only one value now this same memory location. And check this memory location. A. How to check this memory location now? ID of A. ID of A is a 50868392. I am check for this B. This is our saved memory location ID. These two IDs. I am check for this ID. Mostly this for various for these two memory location ID. So it is satisfied condition is false. And next for check for these two memory ID. So I am create again this values A2 and B2. I am check for this ID of A and next ID of B. It is same memory location. Why not? This is a only one value, so it is stored for same memory location. You are creating for one or more values, your ID is changing. I am check for next some example, that is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and next B is equal to 1, 2, 3. This is same object, but it is two values of variables are stored in various memory location. I am check this condition, and next one is C is equal to A. This assigning for C variable in assigned for A values. So I am check this condition. First one is A is B. It is a false. And next A is C. It is mostly true. Why now? Assign this same memory location ID in C variable. So it is a true. And check this memory ID of A. It is this show ID. And next ID of C. This same ID for this two variable. Why now? Not assigned for this object, only assigned for these IDs. So this condition is true. And next time check for B. This IDs must for changes. You see this ID is changing, but these two A and C IDs not changing. So this condition is true, but this condition is false. And next operator is a is not operator, and same likewise for the is operator, but thus that is operator condition is two variable values are where that is idea same now, that condition is true, but very now this condition is false, but this is not operator is this condition is this value are not same now, it is true, this same now this value this result is true, that is false. This description is return true if both variable are not the same object, only this is true, satisfied for true. And check this condition. Some example: A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2. And check this. A is not B. This condition is true. Why now? These two ideas vary. So this condition is true. I am check for these IDs. ID of A and next ID of B. This ID for vary. So this condition is true. And check for next one. A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 3. And check these two condition. A is not B. It is must be show false. This condition is false. This is a identity operators. This session is complete. My next topic is membership operator, that is part 7. Thank you.